Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fold the iPhone. The iPhone 13 or the iPhone 12 like I showed you. And now you want a tutorial, so I'll show you it. Here's a front side and there's a back side and they have some buttons. So how you fold it, you need 2 sheets of paper. A4, it's okay. A4 is fine, which one I'm using. Any color. You need 1 sheet, full A4, and 1 more sheet that's cut into halves. Like this. Once you got that, let's start. So first, you're going to take your paper and fold it in half, hot dog style, like that. Fold it in half and crease it along the edge. Now, once you open it up, you're going to make a paper airplane fold. But not one side, do that to the other side as well. See here? Now you're going to do that to the opposite side. Like that. Now once you got the first side, go ahead and do that to the other side. Once you did that, now turn it like this and fold these edges to the center of the paper. So fold this edge to the center like that. Align it and crease it. Now do that same thing to the other side. Fold this edge to the center. Like this. And now, once you got something like this, next, you want to fold these corners to the center as well to make a rectangle. So fold this edge to the center like that. And do the same for the other side. Crease sharply. Now you have something like a rectangle. On the back, you just have a clean with creases. Turn it over so you see the back side. And divide this into thirds. So 3 equal sections. How do you do that? Fold it up like that. Here's an easy method. And try to align it so that that point is at the bottom of the paper. Now how do you test and see? Fold the other one over. And if it overlaps or it goes partially over, then unfold it and fold this edge to that crease, basically. Now once you crease it, like that, now you can fold this flap over, and now you're good. Now, it's like this. We want to lock this. How do you do that? You unfold this flap. Now, you take this flap, fold part of it behind like this. Hope you can see that. You fold it behind like that. And now you flatten it like that. Now you take this flap, fold it out, and fold it up like that. See, now you have this. One side folded down, the other side folded like that. Now you will fold this flap inside the pocket of the second flap. Just try to bend it and get it in as much as you can. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just push it in and flatten it. Mine's obviously not perfect. Flatten it in. But you should have something like this. That's your first part done already. Now you need a marker so you can trace something. Now take your first half sheet, line the width, so turn it upside down like this, and line the width like this. Now take your tracing material. Now put your first piece up like that to the top and mark the width of it, just a tiny mark. Once you mark your width, which looks like that, you gotta fold that on that width. So how you do that? You fold it. See the short side? Fold it so that it touches the width. So measure this and fold it not so that it be equal, but something like this. Now measure the rest of the part and fold whatever you need to make it equal. Now crease all the way across. You should have something like this. Now you can take this and insert it into this. So first open the pocket of this so that it has two sides like this. Now take your paper and stick it through this section, pushing it all, just try to push it all the way through. If it doesn't go in, what you can do is fold that short flap you folded, fold it a bit more like that. See, it's a bit more. Now, it should be a bit smaller than the actual paper. Now you can actually take it and push it through. And if it still doesn't work or something's blocking it, then try the other side. And try holding it open so that it pushes through. Like that. Now once you got it open and you got it through the center like that, slide it so that it goes towards the end like this. How much? Much that you can take it and fold it down, and that will be approximately equal to that length. It doesn't need to be exact. Once you got that, flip it so it's on this side and you have these two flaps. Take this flap and tuck it into this pocket. Then take this flap and fold it over and tuck it over that flap. So how you do it? Open this pocket and slide your, just try to bend it a bit. Now tuck it into the pocket. It's a bit tricky, but just do your best. You can do it. Push like that. It's okay if it's crumpled inside there. Now take this flap and fold it inside that pocket to lock this piece. Now tuck it inside and try to make it go all the way in like that. Now you should have a clean section with this side on the back and this side on the front. Finally, get your last sheet, and it should be about the same size as the length of your iPhone so far. Now take it, slide it through the iPhone like this. Try to make it so it goes towards the middle like this. Something like that. Now take this flap and fold it behind on this section like that. Fold it behind and crease it. Make sure that this side is, so it's fold, this should be the back of your iPhone. Fold it. Now when you're on this side, fold this flap to the edge. Like this. It should be no more than this length of the bottom. Now, a few more steps left. Fold this flap over like that. And turn it over. And your final step, fold this flap into this pocket right there, the top one. Just fold it inside. It should be able to fit without any problems. And if you need, you can bend it a bit and just tuck it in. Push, push, push. Push it in like that. Now you got your genetic iPhone shape. Now you can just draw the details. What I drawn on this one, I drew the Apple logo with the camera, the buttons on the side, and the back. You can draw that and you complete your iPhone. That's how you can make an origami iPhone from paper. It's not necessarily origami, because it requires a bit of cutting, but it's made with no glue. I hope you like this tutorial on folding your paper iPhone, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. Subscribe.